Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Mr. Fluent English Channel. I am so happy to see you here today. My name is Anna. I feel very energetic and happy today. The sun is shining and the birds are singing. It is a beautiful day to learn English together. How are you today? I hope you are having a wonderful day.
Hello, Anna. Hello, everyone. I am Tom. I am very happy to be here too. I feel very calm and relaxed. The weather is a bit cloudy here, but I like it. I like the clouds. They look like big pieces of cotton in the sky. It is a perfect day to sit down and talk with all our friends.
That is true, Tom. It is always a good day to practice. Before we start, I want to say thank you to all our new friends. If you are new here, please subscribe to our channel. It is very important for us. And if you like our lessons, please click the like button. Your comments make us very happy. We love to read your messages from all over the world.
Yes, please subscribe and give us a like. We love our community. Today we have a very interesting topic. It is a topic for every day. We are going to talk about a bus trip. Do you like buses, Anna?
I love buses, Tom. I think buses are very interesting. You can see many people and many places. Today, we will go on a bus trip together. We will use simple words. We will use short sentences. We will learn together, step by step. Are you ready, Tom?
I am very ready. I have my bag and I have my hat. Let's imagine the scene. We are at the bus stop. The bus stop is a place on the street. It has a tall sign. It has a bench. A bench is a long chair for many people. I am sitting on the bench now.
I am standing next to you, Tom. I am looking at my watch. Time is very important. I am waiting for the bus. To wait is to stay in one place until something happens. We are waiting. Is the bus late, Tom?
I don't know, Anna. Let me check the schedule. The schedule is a list of times. It says the bus arrives at 10 a.m. Now it is 9:55 a.m. We have 5 minutes. We have 5 minutes to talk and wait. I feel patient. Are you patient, Anna?
Yes, I am very patient today. I like to wait at the bus stop. I like to look at the street. I see cars, I see bicycles, I see people walking. The street is very busy. A busy street has many things happening. It is a busy and happy morning.
Look, Anna. I see something big and red. It is coming down the street. It is very large. It is the bus. The bus is coming to the bus stop. I am very excited. I like the color red. It is a very bright and happy color.
Oh, yes, the bus is here. It is a big red bus. It is slowing down. Now the bus stops. The doors open with a sound. Shh. The doors are open. Now we can enter the bus. But first, we must be polite. We must let the other people get off the bus first.
You are right, Anna. Always be polite. Polite means having good manners. We wait for the people to go out. Now it is our turn. We walk up the small steps. We are inside the bus now. It feels warm inside. It feels very comfortable.
Hello, Mr. Driver. We always say hello to the driver. The driver is the person who moves the bus. He is wearing a blue uniform. He looks very kind. He has a nice smile. A smile makes everyone feel good. I feel very welcome on this bus.
Now we need to pay. To pay is to give money for a service. Do you have your ticket, Anna? Or do you have a bus card? I have a small plastic card. I touch it to the machine. The machine says, beep. That means I have paid.
I have a ticket. A ticket is a piece of paper. I show my ticket to the machine. It also says, beep. Now we are ready. We have paid for our trip. This is very easy. Paying for the bus is a simple action. Now we need to find a place to sit.
The bus is a bit full. Full means there are many people. There are not many empty seats. An empty seat is a chair with no person. Oh, look! There are 2 seats in the middle of the bus. Let's go there, Anna. We can sit together.
Perfect. I like to sit in the middle. I don't like to sit at the very back. The back of the bus moves a lot. I like the middle because it is stable. I am sitting down now. The seat is soft. It is a blue seat. It feels very good to sit down.
I am sitting next to you. I am sitting next to the window. I love the window seat. From the window, I can see the whole world. I can see the houses, I can see the shops, I can see the trees. I feel very curious. I want to see everything.
I like the window seat too, Tom, but I am happy to sit here. Let's look at the other passengers. Passengers are the people on the bus. I see an old lady. She is reading a book. She looks very calm. I see a young boy. He has a backpack. Maybe he is going to school.
I see a man with a big umbrella. The umbrella is yellow. He is looking at his phone. Everyone is doing something different. Some people are talking, some people are sleeping, some people are just looking out the window like me. The bus is a small world.
That is a beautiful idea, Tom. A small world on wheels. The bus is moving now. It moves slowly at first, then it moves faster. I can feel the vibration. The vibration is the small movement of the bus. It is a relaxing sound. Hum, hum.
Yes, the sound is very nice. It's like a song. We are traveling through the city. We are passing a big park. The park has many green trees. I see children playing with a ball. I see a dog running. The dog looks very happy. I love dogs.
I love dogs too. They have so much energy. Look at that building, Tom. It is very tall. It is a skyscraper. It has many windows. The sun is reflecting on the glass. It looks like a giant mirror. The city is very beautiful from the bus.
It is beautiful. I feel very lucky. I am happy to be on this trip with you, Anna, and I am happy to be with our listeners. Friends, are you enjoying the trip? Do you travel by bus in your city? Tell us in the comments. We want to know about your bus.
Yes, tell us, what color is your bus? Is it red? Is it blue? Is it yellow? Writing the color is a good way to practice your English. My bus is green. That is a perfect sentence. We love your simple sentences.
Now the bus is stopping again. This is a bus stop. Some people are getting off. To get off means to leave the bus. The old lady with the book is getting off. She walks slowly and carefully. The driver waits for her. The driver is very patient.
That is good. Patience is very important for a driver. New people are getting on the bus. A woman with a small baby is coming in. The baby is wearing a pink hat. The baby is very cute. The baby is looking at us and smiling. Hello, little baby.
Oh, the baby is very cute indeed. Now the bus is full of people. It is a bit loud now. People are talking. I hear many voices. I hear hello, how are you, and thank you. It is a symphony of words. I like to listen to the sounds of the bus.
I like it too, but we must remember the rules. There are rules on the bus. One rule is be quiet. We should not shout. Another rule is give your seat to people who need it. If an old person comes, I will stand up. I will give my seat to the old person.
That is very kind of you, Anna. You are a very good person. Another rule is don't eat on the bus. We want to keep the bus clean. A clean bus is a happy bus. I have a chocolate bar in my bag, but I will wait. I will eat it later when I am off the bus.
Good job, Tom. You are very disciplined. Now, look outside again. We are leaving the city center. The buildings are smaller now. I see more gardens. I see small houses with colorful doors. I see a flower shop. The flowers are red, yellow, and purple.
I see the flower shop. It smells like spring. Well, I cannot smell it through the window, but I can imagine the smell. I imagine the smell of roses and lilies. It makes me feel very peaceful. A bus trip is a good time to imagine things.
I agree. I am imagining our destination. We are going to the big library. I love the library. It is full of books and stories. We are almost there. I can see the big clock tower. The clock says it is 10:20 a.m. Our trip was 20 minutes long.
20 minutes of English. That is fantastic. We talked about the bus stop, the ticket, the driver, and the passengers. We used many good words. We used wait, pay, sit, move, and stop. These are very important words for your life.
They are. Now the bus is slowing down again. The driver is using the brakes. The bus stops gently. We are at our stop. It is time to get off. I stand up slowly. I take my bag. I am ready to go.
I stand up too. I check my seat. I don't want to leave my phone or my keys. Everything is in my pocket. We walk to the door. The door opens. Shh. We walk down the steps. Now our feet are on the ground. We are on the sidewalk.
We are here. That was a great trip. Thank you, Tom, for coming with me. And thank you to everyone who listened to us. You are doing a great job learning English. Remember, every small step is important. Step by step, like we always say.
Exactly. Step by step. You are learning more every day. Please don't forget to like this video and subscribe. It helps us a lot. And please leave a comment. Tell us, I like the bus, or I am learning English. We read all your comments.
Yes, we do. We love you all. Have a beautiful day. Have a happy day. And remember to practice your English today. Look at a bus and say, that is a bus. See you in the next episode. Bye-bye, everyone.
Goodbye, everyone. See you soon. Happy learning.